Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what happens between the time a product leaves the factory and the moment it reaches your hands? The truth is, your product's journey across the supply chain is full of hidden dangers: theft, tampering, smuggling, counterfeiting, and cyber attacks. These aren't just movie plots. They are daily realities for thousands of logistics companies worldwide. In today's world, a single weak link in your supply chain can cause a total collapse of trust and millions in losses. That is why the question is no longer, is your business efficient, but rather, is your supply chain safe? Welcome to this deep dive. Let's decode ISO 28000 together and understand how this powerful standard transforms chaos into control. Now, what exactly is ISO 28000? ISO 28000 is an international standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization that focuses on security management systems for the supply chain. Think of it as a blueprint for protecting everything that moves: goods, people, and information across complex global networks. It helps organizations identify potential security threats, assess vulnerabilities, and implement controls to reduce risk. From warehouses and ports to customs and transport hubs, ISO 28000 builds a culture of vigilance and resilience. The core principles of ISO 28000. ISO 28000 isn't just about installing CCTV cameras or hiring guards. It is about creating a systematic, proactive approach to security. Now let's decode its main pillars. Risk assessment. Identify and evaluate risk that could disrupt the supply chain. Security planning. Define objectives and strategies for risk prevention. Operational controls. Implement measures like secure transportation, data protection, and access control. Training and awareness. Ensure every employee understands security risks and how to respond. Performance evaluation. Monitor, audit, and continuously improve your security system. In short, we can say that ISO 28000 helps you build a living, breathing system that adapts to new threats. Now let's have a look on the benefits of ISO 28000 certification. Let's talk results, because every business wants to see returns. Implementing ISO 28000 can reduce theft, damage, and operational disruption. Build trust with international partners and regulators. Improve efficiency through streamlined risk management. Enhance your company's global credibility. Strengthen your reputation for reliability and resilience. When customers see that your company follows ISO 28000, they see professionalism, consistency, and trustworthiness. Now, the common mistakes in supply chain security. Many companies fail to protect their supply chains because they rely too much on technology and too little on people. Here are some common pitfalls: ignoring employee awareness training, poor coordination with third-party vendors, weak documentation and audit trails, overlooking cybersecurity threats, treating security as a one-time checklist. ISO 28000 fixes this by embedding security thinking into every layer of operations. Now, the future of supply chain security. The future of logistics is digital, but digital means vulnerable. Drones, IoT, and AI are revolutionizing how goods move and also how they can be attacked. In the next decade, ISO 28000 will evolve to cover smart logistics, data-driven risk analysis, and sustainability in security systems. Companies that adopt it now will not just survive, they will dominate. So, are you ready? Is your supply chain really safe? If you are not sure, it's time to act. ISO 28000 gives you the framework to build confidence, ensure compliance, and stay resilient against threats you can't always see coming. Security isn't a luxury anymore. It is the foundation of global business. So if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy, where we simplify complex ISO standards into real-world insights. Comment below if your company deals with logistics or supply chains, and let's discuss how ISO 28000 could protect your operations. And I'm your host, Akanksha Mishra. We'll see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.